Northrop Grumman is proud to partner with the United States Air Force and the best suppliers in the country on its OmegA launch system. We are counting down to launch in 2021. Our team has more than 4 decades of launch experience. On average, we develop a new flight system each year, including space launch vehicles, interceptors, and targets. OmegA uses highly reliable, solid fuel for the boost phases of launch. OmegA's cryogenic upper stage uses 2 proven Aerojet Rocketdyne RL-10 engines. Its avionics have flown on more than 100 missions with 100% success. Northrop Grumman designed OmegA specifically to address performance, schedule, ride quality, and reliability needs of the Air Force. OmegA's design leverages existing facilities, technologies with high technical readiness levels, and an experienced workforce.
5, 4, 3.
Northrop Grumman has completed a full-scale, full-duration static test of the rocket's first stage. We've set up friction stir welding operations at NASA's Michoud assembly facility. At NASA's Kennedy Space Center, we are working in the Vehicle Assembly Building and modifying Mobile Launch Platform 3. Winding and cure are complete for the first stage cases for OmegA's first flight. The upper stage engines for OmegA's first flight are ready for testing. With each OmegA milestone, we are counting down to launch in 2021.